So as you can see, this is the notebook battery, that's NP03XL. We have a new one here, right here. We're going to replace that. So I'm first going to remove the connector here. Laptop battery connector to the motherboard. You have to be gentle here because otherwise you will damage the motherboard. Yes. Now we're going to test if this battery is working or not. I'm going to connect the power supply. Switch on the laptop over here. As you can see, the laptop is on, but there's no keyboard or anything. We're going to leave it off for about a minute and then see if this runs on the battery. Assuming that the battery came with some charge, I'm going to remove this and see if this works, and of course it works. So the battery replacement is successful.